Hello dear students, welcome to your English online class for class 2. So students, today we will study new lesson 4, that is a poem. So firstly take out your books and then open page number 29. Lesson 4. Lesson name is I Wish I Lived in a Caravan. Okay students? So students, this is a poem. Okay? What is this? This is a poem. I wish I lived in a caravan. The meaning of this in Hindi कि मेरी विश है, मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं कारवां में रहूँ. ओके, सो I will explain you afterwards. First of all, see here. Let's start. Okay, what is given on this page? See here. Help the little parrot reach the treasure. Okay, so here you will help the little parrot to reach the treasure. Okay, from this to this. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to find the way. Okay, so students, this is your homework. So write here HW like this. Okay, now come to next page, page number 30. Okay, here you can see, let's read. So this is a poem. Now read a poem that tells you what fun it is to travel all the while. Okay, so first of all you have to understand the meaning of caravan. Okay, caravan क्या होती है? Caravan is a vehicle that can be pulled by a car, a van or with the help of any animal. Okay, जिसको एक व्हीकल होता है कारवैन, जिसको कि कोई पुल करेगा. ठीक है, वो अपने आप नहीं चलती है, उसको कोई खींचने वाला चाहिए. ओके, या तो उसको कार की हेल्प से या वैन की हेल्प से या कोई एनिमल की हेल्प से भी उसको पुल किया जा सकता है. ओके, so in this poem, this vehicle is pulled by a horse. Okay, इस poem में इस vehicle को, as you can see the picture here, इस vehicle को कौन pull कर रहा है, कौन drive कर रहा है? Horse. And it's also a group of people, animals or vehicles who travel together. Okay, जिसमें कि travel किया जाता है, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह उसमें घूमा जाता है. Okay, so now let us read the poem. It's given here. The poem tells you what fun it is to travel all the while. Okay, and in this poem we will read about that what fun the poet gets to travel in a caravan. Okay, इसमें हम ये पढ़ेंगे कि जब ट्रैवल करते हैं तो क्या क्या फन होता है. ओके, ट्रैवलिंग में क्या क्या फन होता है. सो दिस इज अबाउट दैट. ओके, सो हियर poet is William Brighty Renz. Okay, poet name is William Brighty Renz. ये poet name है जिसने ये poem लिखी है. Okay, now we will read. I wish I lived in a caravan with a horse to drive like a peddler man. What is the meaning of peddler man? Peddler man, someone who travels from place to place to sell small objects. Okay, peddler man कौन होता है? जो ट्रैवल करता है, ठीक है, एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस पर ट्रैवल करता है, घूमता है अपने छोटे छोटे आइटम्स को, ऑब्जेक्ट्स को बेचने के लिए. ओके, टू सेल. जैसे आप देखते हैं ना, ठेले वाला या फेरी वाला आता है, वो छोटी छोटी अपनी चीजें प्लास्टिक्स की या कुछ भी बेचता है. दैट्स अ पेडलर मैन. ओके, उसको पेडलर मैन कहते हैं. सो हियर स्पीकर इज telling that I wish I lived in a caravan. मेरी विश है, मेरी इच्छा है कि मैं caravan में रहूं, ठीक है, उसमें ट्रैवल करूं. With a horse to drive like a peddler man. और उस caravan को, उस व्हीकल को कौन ड्राइव करे? हॉर्स. विद द हेल्प ऑफ हॉर्स, घोड़े की हेल्प से उसको मैं ड्राइव करूं लाइक अ पैडलर मैन, जैसे कि एक फेरी वाला होता है, ठेले वाला. ओके, प्लेस टू प्लेस में ट्रैवल करूं. वेयर ही कम्स फ्रॉम नोबडी नोज, एंड वेयर ही कम्स नोबडी नोज. और वो कहाँ से आता है किसी को नहीं पता. वेयर ही गोज टू, बट ऑन ही गोज. कहाँ से वो आ रहा है, किधर जा रहा है, किसी को नहीं पता है, ठीक है, लेकिन वो चलता जा रहा है. नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा. हिज कैरावान हैज विंडोज टू एंड अ चिमनी ऑफ टिन दैट द स्मोक कम्स थ्रू. ही हैज अ वाइफ विद अ बेबी ब्राउन एंड दे गो राइडिंग फ्रॉम टाउन टू टाउन. So in this stanza he is describing about his caravan, how his caravan looks like. Okay, that his caravan has windows. Okay, as you can see here in this picture, this is the vehicle caravan and it has windows and chimney of tin that the smoke comes through. Okay, from chimney what comes out? Smoke. And he has a wife and a baby brown. Okay, and they go riding from town to town as a peddler man. Okay, and he wants to go riding from town to town. Okay, वो एक गांव से दूसरे गांव तक राइड कर रहा है. ओके, मीन्स वो ट्रैवल कर रहा है गांव से गांव तक. ओके, फ्रॉम टाउन टू टाउन. अंडरस्टूड? इन फर्स्ट स्टेंजा, poet, the speaker, has a wish that he wants to live in a caravan. And who drives that caravan? Horse. Okay, like a peddler man. And he wants to drive that caravan with a horse like a peddler man. Okay, the man who travels from place to place. Okay, where he comes from nobody knows, or where he goes to, but on he goes. And where he comes, where he goes, that nobody knows, but he is on his way. His caravan has windows too. And in this second stanza he is describing about the caravan, how it's look like. Okay, that his caravan has windows too. As you can see in the picture, there's windows and a chimney of tin, and there's a chimney that is of metal, tin. Okay, that smokes come through, and from this chimney smokes come out. He has a wife with a baby brown, and he has a child and a wife, and they go riding from town to town, and they all together go riding from town to town. Okay, from one place to another, they all go together. Understood? Very good. Okay, and in last, students, see here, extracted from the poem The Peddler Man by William Brighty Renz. As I told you that this poem is written by William Brighty Renz. ये poem किसने लिखी है? William Brighty Renz. And these lines are taken from the poem The Peddler Man, written by William Brighty Renz. Okay? Have you understood? Very good. Now students, your homework is to revise this poem, read this poem and understand it well. Okay? And in next video, I will teach you the book exercise of this chapter. So till then, read this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.